Hello, how are you? Now, in this video, we're going to learn how to create a project, a folder, and save a file. So these are very important steps for doing anything in Fusion 360 or any other software. So on the top left, there's a data panel which has a grid. So if you click on that one, it will give you a list of folders and projects which we have been creating over time. On the left there is a small house which is a project list, so we can click on that one and then click on new project. We can put now a new project, say we can say my first 3D drawings. In your case, there will be nothing on this side. So after that, we have the folder open here. You can double click on it and that folder will be live. Project, sorry. So after you've done that, you need to save the file now which we are starting with. So if you just click save, it takes us straight to the folder which we have just created. In case you don't see that folder, you need to look for it. Now, because this is a project, we can also either save files in there or create another folder if we have many drawings, especially if we have assemblies. It's better that we put another folder, and in this folder I'll just call it Elbow Engine, and then up here I'll put a file name, piston, and then save this. So you can see now up there it says piston, and on the left it says piston, and N is my initial, and then straight away we can start now drawing. Fusion 360 saves automatically, so you don't need to bother about saving, but you must always be sure that you're on the internet. When you're not on the internet, you can work. The drawings won't be saved on cloud, but when you put on your internet, the drawings will then go to cloud. Thank you very much. This is our first short video.